Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set typing tests on the Memrise application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, go to the profile icon at the upper right corner of the home screen and click to the learning settings button. Go to the test type preferences section and you can find the second option, the typing test. New, this function will be enabled, but if you want to turn off, just click to the next yellow circle, and if it will be turned green, this function will be disabled. If you want to turn on, just click that again, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.